You can also create a photo calendar easily from within Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to do that, you need to go around and click on the Create button, and over here you can see Photo Calendar is an option. Once you go around over here, you can see that it generates out a 12-month calendar right here. You can set the starting month according to how you want as well. So let me just go to January right here as the starting month, and let's say the starting year would be 2023 right here. So let's say I want to create a calendar for 2023 right here. You can go around and select different types of calendar, as you can see right here, like cherries, there's like Christmas right here, there's colorful right here, and there's different types of colorful the colorful calendars that you can select from right here. There's like wishes, as you can see, there's like trips and so forth. So let me just go around and select trip right here, and you can see the preview over here just like this as well, and you can go around and press OK right here to get the template. So it'll download the template from the server, and then it'll have the project ready. So you can see that it is downloading the content right here, and now it is generating out the previews. And once it's done, you'll be able to see how this will be editable right here. You can see that the calendar template is here, so you can go around over here onto the calendar, on individual pages of the calendar as well, and keep the photo that you want and so forth. So let's say you want to go around and edit it. You can go around and edit out the text according to how you want. You can press the check mark button, and you can move these out as well. So over here, the dates and everything are already generated. So if you were to go around over here, you'll be able to see the dates, and all you need to do over here is just click and replace it out with pictures. So I'm just going to go around over here onto my drive, and let's say I'm going to go to the photo collection. You can go around and add in picture over there just like this, and you can go around, change around the size, and change around right here just like this. You can go around over here onto February as well and repeat the same thing, and similarly you can go around and change around all of the characters. That is all of the calendar images right here. You can go around and save it out over here as well if you want to, and then you can go around and print it out over here as well. So you can go around over here. You can see that you can access out pages, you can access out the layouts over here just like this, and change it out as well. But usually what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to go to individual pages right here and start editing it out. So once this is done right here, you can go around and then save it. You can go to file, and you can go to print right here, and then once you do that, you'll have an option for printing out the calendar according to how you want. So once you go around over here, you can see all of the pages right here, and then you can continue printing out your own calendar. So that is how you can go around and easily make out photo calendars by using Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.